In this lesson, we'll be learning about data types and how they can be used inside a variable. Different types of data are called data types. Data types are required so the computer knows what kind of data is in the variable and how it should deal with that data. There are 5 main data types: integer, float, string, boolean, and list. But we'll be talking about lists in the following video. So let's explore these data types. 11 is a whole number. All integers are whole numbers. If we write something like 19.9, this is a float. All floats are decimal numbers. If we write a string like this, hi, all strings are text. And the final data type, booleans, can be either true or false. We can write them like this. For true, you write like this. For false, you write like this. A variable is like a box which can hold one data type. So let's try writing a variable. Note that you cannot write a space in the variable's name, so you should instead put an underscore, and you cannot start a variable's name with any number or special character. For example, I'm going to try this. If we try 0 name is equals to 0 and try to print that 0 name, you can already see that there's a red line appearing beneath. This means that there is an error, but let's actually run this to find out. As you can see, an error appears. You might be wondering what happens when you add an underscore. When you add underscore, you will find that it does the exact same thing because it starts with an integer. Now let's write the different data types in our variable. I'm going to write the name of my variable as data type underscore integer equal to 0. So as you can see, this is an integer because it's a whole number. Data type underscore float equals to 9.9. This is a float because it has a decimal and it's a decimal number. Data type string equals to, so I'm going to write the text of hi. This is a string because it's in quotes, either double or single, both are fine, and there is some text in between. Data type underscore boolean is equals to true. As you can see, we've written the true statement of boolean. You can also write false. Now let's actually print these. To print a variable, you have to write its name inside the print. Make sure that the variable name that is written has the same name as the variable you want to print or you use in the program. So like I'm going to use data type underscore integer. Let's print this. When you click the run button, you should see that it prints 0, which is what data type integer was holding. When you write data type float and click run, you see 9.9. When you write string, data type string, then you see hi. And when you write data type boolean, you'll see false. Note that the boolean cannot accept anything other than true and false. See you in the next lesson. Bye.